McVicker, been with Bay for just about 15 years. Been a driver for 47 years, owner-operator for 28 of those. Pay attention to what's going on not only in front of you but behind you. Be aware of what is around you so you can see something before it happens. Along with that, make sure you do your safety inspections. Make sure your equipment is up and ready to go. Stay away from idle time. Maintain a constant temperature or a constant speed instead of driving flat on the floor. Back out of it a little bit to get your premium fuel mileage. The biggest thing is cut your idle time down. When you take a load, get it there on time. If you tell somebody you're going to do something, do it, and they will give you the miles to accomplish your needs also. I guess I'm old school, so honesty does a lot of good, and as long as you tell the truth, you never have to worry about it coming back to bite you. But have been well represented by Bay. Well, as far as somebody doing a lease purchase or that, some of the little things that you can do yourself, lights, wipers, grease, puts more money back in your pocket. Live within your means, be professional, look professional. The better you treat them, the better they'll treat you.